My name is Mr. Cleophas. Welcome to my today's class. Today, I want to go through management accounting, which is MA, as I've written here. And in this MA, I've mastered on how it is examined. I know what to expect in your exam. So ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, then so that you can support me. So allow me to do one of the latest questions which was done or examined in December 2021, question number 1A. December 2021, question number 1A. It's about inventories and the inventory levels, whereby you need to understand what we mean by the EOQ. We need to know the maximum stock level, minimum stock level, reorder level, average stock level. But for today, the question which was examined, it is touching on EOQ, and that is the costs, ordering cost and the holding cost. Then we have also discounts. So this is EOQ with the discounts. Now, for you to do a question for EOQ, you need to understand, the first thing is to understand the formula. So allow me to just write the formula for EOQ. So I want to write the EOQ formula here. EOQ. EOQ stands for economic order quantity. So economic order quantity is the optimal quantity which should be ordered anytime an order is to be made in order to minimize the associated costs. So it is the optimal quantity to purchase or to order so as to minimize on cost. Because as a manager, as a management accountant, whenever you are procuring, you need to ensure minimization of costs. So for you to determine the EOQ, this is the formula. EOQ is equals to the square root of 2 times the annual demand times the ordering cost per order, which I can see is raised to O, to mean ordering cost per order, all over the holding cost, which is also known as the carrying costs. Now, let's read the question. This is December 2021. So, December 2021. It is question number 1A. December 2021, question number 1A. We read the question. It says, Blade Limited manufactures a range of electronic products. The supplier of component X has informed Blade Limited that it will offer a quantity discount of 1% if Blade Limited places an order of 10,000 components or more at any time. Details of component X are as follows. So what we have been given here first is the quantity discount. So let me summarize the question so that as we do it, we know. Quantity discount. And this is 1% if Blade places an order of 10,000. So for order of 10,000 components or units. Then we have the cost per component before discount. Costs per component, which is equals to shillings 20 or 20 shillings. Annual purchases, which is 150,000, that is the annual demand. So your annual purchases or demand which is 150,000 components. 150,000 components. Then we have ordering costs. So ordering cost is here per order, which is equals to 360 shillings. So anytime we are ordering, the cost of ordering is 360 shillings. We have the holding costs, and another name for holding cost is carrying costs. holding costs, which is equal to 3 shillings per component per annum. It's 3 shillings. So that's what we have. So the first Roman one is the EOQ. EOQ, which should be equals to, we have said EOQ is 2DCO. So the square root of 2 times an annual demand. This D is the annual demand. Come here, check where there is annual demand. Here it is annual purchases, or the annual demand 150,000. So 2 times 150,000 times the ordering cost per order. C/O is ordering cost per order. So anytime you're placing an order, the cost of ordering, those costs which relate to either making calls, etc. So that you can receive the order, get the order, the cost associated with the ordering is 360 per order. So 360 all over what? HC. HC is the holding cost or the carrying cost per component or per unit per annum. Here it is, holding cost 3. So that is what you need to, that's how you get your EOQ. So I have my calculator with me. So I'll have 2 times 150,000 times 360. Whatever I get, I shall divide by 3. That's what 36 million. Square root of the answer is 6,000. So these are 6,000 components. That is the EOQ. That's the optimal quantity to purchase. Whenever we are making an order, that's the optimal quantity to minimize the costs or the total costs. Thank you. So we go to Roman 2. Roman 2 of the question. Roman 2, it says an annual ordering cost and holding cost of inventory of component X using the EOQ. So using this EOQ, get the annual ordering and holding costs. So let's have the formula for ordering cost and holding costs. So we normally say ordering costs will be equals to, for you to get the ordering costs, let us first know how many orders are we placing or are we making in a year. To know the number of orders, it will be the annual demand divided by how many units are you ordering, the Q, and this time our Q is the EOQ. Right? But this D over Q gives you what? The number of orders. So if the examiner asks you about to determine the number of orders, you don't struggle. It will be the annual demand or the total annual demand divided by the quantity which is being ordered, and this time our quantity to order, we have been told we ordered EOQ. So it will be over the Q, which is the EOQ. That gives you the number of orders. But for me, I want the ordering cost. So multiply by the cost you incur whenever you place an order. So the cost you incur whenever you place an order, that is how we do it. So the D is 150. So we have the annual demand, we know. The Q is EOQ, 6,000. Then times ordering cost per order, which was 360. So that gives you the cost of ordering at EOQ. Or at the economic order quantity. So 150,000 divided by 6,000, that gives you 25 orders, times what is the cost per order? 360, which is giving me 9,000. So that is the ordering costs. And remember at EOQ, then ordering cost and the holding cost, they are the same, but let me do it so that we confirm. So let's get the holding costs. Now we see holding costs. So holding cost is equals to the units you're ordering, get the average divided by 2. So Q over 2 times the carrying cost and the holding cost per unit per annum. Now, our Q is EOQ, 6,000, divided by 2 times the holding cost of 3. So you work out that one, 6,000 divided by 2, which I'm getting 3,000. 3,000 times 3, you'll get 9,000 as the other one, 9,000. So you will have your 9,000 there. So that is the holding and the ordering costs. you have the 4 marks for Roman 2. We are remaining with the other 4 marks for Roman 3, which says advise the management of Blade Limited on whether the discount should be accepted. So we want to know whether these discounts are going to be accepted. The discount is of 1%. So the discount is 1%, and at this 1% we must order 10,000, right? So whenever you are to make a decision on the quantity discount, on whether to accept or reject the quantity discount, what you need to do first, get the cost without the discount, the total cost together with the discount, and then you compare with the total cost again without and with the discount. So first compute the total cost without the discount, and then the total cost with the discount. Then because cost, you must pick the minimum, check on the option with the minimum total cost. And because of the discount aspect, then the purchase cost becomes a relevant cost in making such a decision. So the total cost shall comprise of the purchase cost plus the ordering cost plus the holding costs. I said total cost is a combination of the purchase cost plus ordering cost plus holding cost. That is when there is discount. Whenever there is no discount, total cost is a combination of what? The ordering and the holding. We consider the purchase cost as irrelevant cost, which is a cost which must be incurred. Now, let me get that. Allow me to wrap this part here. We get the total cost with the discount, or you can start without the discount. So let me use this side of my board here. So we have total costs, which is equal to the purchase cost, which is the selling price times over the purchase cost times the quantity or unit purchased, plus the ordering D over Q times, right, times the CO plus Q over 2, that's the ordering cost, times HC. Times HC. Now, let's get total costs without discount. So without discount, the purchase cost per unit cost per component is 20, shall have 20 times the D. Now this should be the annual demand. So times the D. The units you're going to purchase is in that here. The annual demand is here. Annual purchase or annual demand is 150. So times 150 plus again this D here, which is 150,000 done by the Q, and without discount we are going to use it. We are going to purchase at EOQ at the optimal 6,000. So our Q 6,000 times the ordering cost per unit, which is 360, which already we had computed this. So times 360 plus the holding cost, which is Q over 2, and our Q without discount the ordering at EOQ, which is 6,000 times 3 shillings, the holding cost per unit. So I want to work out this one, which should be 20 times 150,000. That is 3 million. Plus we had here 9,000 and 9,000, so plus 18,000, which is that 18,000. 3 million. So that 18,000. So gives you the costs. So that is shillings 3 million and 18,000. So let me write it well here. So this would be equals to shillings 3018. So that is without the discount. Now compute with the discount, and the discount affects what? purchase cost and the carrying cost, and the holding cost. So total costs with the discount. So we are going to affect our purchase costs per unit, which will be equals to the purchase cost was here, cost per component is 20, so it will be 20, but we are given a discount of 1%, so we get the new cost with the discount. 1% will be, we purchase at 99%, because this reduces the cost of purchasing quantity discount. So 20 times 0.99 or times 99% is 19.8. So we shall be having our cost of purchasing a component as 19.8 shillings per component. So I'll also wrap this side here because I think I know this cost 20, the other cost we already know them. We have the question. This is a CPA question for management accounting, which is now in intermediate level. Then we get the holding cost is also affected by the discount. Discount is of 1%. The holding cost was 3 shillings, so it will be 3 shillings times again 99%. So we need to get our new holding cost. So 3 times 0.99, which I'm getting is 2.97. So it shall be, the carrying cost shall be now 2.97. So let's get the total cost, which is equals to the purchase cost, 20. But instead of 20, with the discount is 19.8. Sorry, 19.8. You have 19.8. 19.8. You multiply this one by the annual demand, which was 150. The demand cannot change, plus the ordering costs here, which is 150, the demand over the Q, and the ordering out. For you to get this discount, you must order 10,000 units. That is what we are told. 10,000 units times the ordering cost, which is not affected. It remains as 360 as it was previously. Plus, we continue, the Q, and this time our Q is not 6,000, instead it is 10,000 over the 2 times the carrying cost or the holding cost, which is 2.97. So you'll get your new cost there. So you'll have 19.8 times 150,000. That is 2970,000 plus. So I'll put, let me have the 2970,000, that's the cost of purchasing, plus let me do the ordering cost. We are here now, 150 over 10,000, so 150,000 divided by 10,000 and get 15 orders times 360. So the cost of ordering is 5,400 now. Plus, you do again the cost of holding, which is here 10,000 over 2. 10,000 divided by 2, that is automatically 5,000 times 2.97. 2.97, 14,850. So the total costs with the discount will be now 2970 plus 5,400 plus 14,850, which I'm getting is 2990,250. 2990, we have it. $29.90, 250 shillings. Now you compare and advise the company. Which company is this? Let me check the name of the company. It was called Blade Limited. So with the discount, it will be 2,990,250. Without the discount, then it is 3,018,000. So we should minimize cost and pick this one. So Blade Limited, so that the advisor should give Blade Limited. Well, if you're writing, you write Blade Limited should accept the 1% quantity discount. Blade Limited should accept the 1% quantity discount in order to minimize costs. In order to minimize costs. First of all. So you get your 4 marks. So that is what the question required you to do. Thank you guys. This is a question for 10 marks. Those who did management accounting, that is in the intermediate level, December 2021. Question number 1A. That is what was expected of you. So guys, keep on subscribing, keep on watching. And whenever you subscribe to my YouTube channel, then you're going to get any notification of any new question I do. Ensure you share also this one to other people who can get help. Those who are doing cost accounting or management accounting in universities, either under doing your undergraduate degree or your bachelor's degree or your master's degree, this is a common unit. Ensure if you see a concept like EOQ, look at what I've taught here today. I'm very sure you're going to get assisted and you're going to appreciate what I've done. I know, guys, you are going to promote my channel and I'm here to help you and to simplify these questions. You shall also start doing the university questions or questions from different universities so that at least I get to help my professionals, those people who want to just get good grades with knowledge and getting to understand whatever they're doing without cramming. So in case of any question, please reach me through my WhatsApp number or even you call through my number, my mobile number, which is 0714 023 691. I've said it is 0714 023 691. We can get in touch. I can even just tutor you or become your tutor depending with the unit you're doing. Operational research, it can also help in that unit. Statistics 1, statistics 2, I can also help you to understand that concept. So thank you guys. Let's meet in our next program. My name is Mr. Cleophas. I teach at Regional College. Regional College is a college teaching CPA, mostly accounting courses, the CPA, which is a CASNEP course, CPA, CS. Then we also have other professional courses there, and plus the NEC courses. So we are located at Moy Avenue, opposite Galitos, near National Archives, in a building called Commonwealth House. When you come to Commonwealth House, 5th floor, you will ask for Mr. Cleophas. We're going to meet, we're going to talk and help each other. Thank you so much. Let's meet next time. Bye-bye.